Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wanderlust and City Dust. Wanderlust and City Dust is a Europe travel blog that shares articles for all types of travelers in India. To learn more about the top holiday destinations, popular attractions in Europe, traveling on a budget, travel ideas, travel tips for Europe, and help you to answer almost everything that you want to know and can always fulfill all the details you might have a need for your Europe trip. If you are looking for travel ideas or travel on a budget, then this is the place. Being a photography enthusiast, I will post as many pictures, videos as I can so that if you are not able to travel, you can at least get a glimpse of the world in photos or in videos. I also write about travel tips and suggestions that make your travel easier, cheaper, and better. Now let's come to the topic. In this video, I am going to share about the information regarding planning a Europe trip from India on budget. Europe is considered as one of the most loving travel destination for Indians. But still, no matter who you are from India, one basic question comes to your mind before planning a Europe trip. That is, how to plan a Europe trip from India without overreach the earned leaves or budget. I am quite sure there are some issues with many travelers who are mostly on budget and try to do all sorts of calculations to cut off the expenses related to the trip, such as flight charges, accommodation, food, and most importantly, visa problem, which hold them back. Relax, in this video I will provide you some pro tips and a step-by-step outline on how you can go ahead carefully planning your dream Europe trip a reality without any stress or any kind of brainstorming, and most importantly on a budget. Planning an organized trip can really take as long as you want. However, if you are planning to visit at least the big cities or capitals, you should have to spend a minimum of 2 full days in each city you want to visit, or smaller cities can take up to 1 full days. Write off your arrival day to Europe for sure, because it's very natural to get a jet lag. Before starting your dream Europe trip plan, here are a few tips for your trip around Europe on a budget. First, choose your destination wisely. If you have a clear idea about what you want to see, like Colosseum or Vatican City in Rome, and the Eiffel Tower or Louvre Museum in Paris, you already know where you want to go. Find out the main attractions you want to see and do in each city you would like to visit. Make a list of your references so that you won't miss out on anything. Second, plan your travel path. You might have your heart set on Prague, Rome, Amsterdam, Paris, and Athens. But if you only have 2 weeks or less, you will have to rethink. These cities are spread out and you need to spend a lot of time traveling than enjoying Europe. Plan out a travel path that is closely connected and leave the remaining destination for your next visit. It's next to impossible to travel even only the big cities in Europe on a month time. Next, figure out your budget. Apart from planning a travel path that won't take up your entire trip, you should also plan out how much you need to spend for traveling place to place, food, accommodation, and etc. If it's starting to hit you hard, try to skip a destination that would be fun but not worthy for this trip. Plan day trips. Sometimes you may discover after checking your travel route that some places you want to visit are pretty close to bigger cities where you want to stay in. So planning a day trip to the countryside instead of spending a night in a small town could be exciting. And trust me, the European countryside will always surprise you with its beauty, and it's better to have a break from the bustling city. Next, look for cheap and convenient travel options. One of the major portion of your budget usually goes into booking the main flights to and from India. So I will suggest you use some of the flight app trackers like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or can visit the direct site to compare the fares to keep a watch on the flight rates well ahead of your tentative travel dates to get the best lowest rates or connection. Always look for a cheaper connection from major cities like Delhi or Mumbai. When you are traveling within European cities, you can also plan to take buses, trains, or budget airlines like low cost European carrier Ryanair or Wizz Air on your trip, but prices will depend on how close cities are and which Europe budget airlines you fly with. Depending on the number of countries you choose, it is often economical to buy a EU rail pass. This is an all-in-one train ticket giving you unlimited access to most train across various destinations. Let me tell you one important thing. If you manage your carry-on luggage strictly under 10 kgs, then you can fly as cheap as a 30 euro or less than to the different destination within Europe to save time. Although if not, then going by the bus like Flixbus is the next best but definitely the cheapest option while traveling within Europe. My total intra-Europe travel cost including commuting to 5 countries through 4 flights and one train travel came up to almost around 7,000 Indian rupees. Next important thing is finding out the budget accommodation. Finding cheap accommodation is another aspect when you have a few days to stay in a city. Some of the best options for affordable accommodation include Airbnb, youth hostels, or luxury hotels, and the cheapest of all is Couchsurfing. Each of them will vary in price and location, but according to your budget, you should try to stay near to the city center as it saves some travel time while visiting the tourist destination. So I hope you find this information, tips and guide useful and help you to figure out the Europe trip on budget. To know more about the Europe travel tips and information, please subscribe this channel and also visit the blog link mentioned in the description. If you have any question regarding or any kind of suggestion or you want me to share some specific Europe travel information, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.